Saskia and welcome to my studio. In this video, I'm going to show you how to close an elastic bracelet. As you see, I've stopped my bracelet here with bead stoppers. You can also use a piece of tape, but I find these really handy. You just squeeze it open, and I'm going to do it on the other side. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the two ends and make them even. Now there's one thing I want to show you about the design of this bracelet. You can see that it's symmetrical. The beads are the same, the pattern follows, but on one side I have more beads. That is because when I tie my knot here, I really only want these beads on one side. Sometimes people choose a large bead here so that you can hide the knot under the bead. It really doesn't bother me, and I like this pattern. Now you just do what's called an overhand knot, and I like to joke it should really be called an over finger knot because you put it over your finger. So we take our two ends that are in the same length about, we wrap them around our two fingers, then I use my pointer finger to get here inside and to pull the knot down as closely to the beads as I can. Let me show you what I use the pliers for. I do the exact same thing, but then I take the round nose pliers and I come through and I can pull my elastic a little bit easier, but it's also for here at the end. I'm going to put the round nose pliers inside my knot so that I can pull it as closely to the bracelet as possible. Now I'm going to pull my elastic here. Now I'm also going to stretch my bracelet here. So I'm just gonna pull a little, and then you're ready to cut it off. What I like to do when I'm working with children, I like to just do an extra knot because it never hurts and it certainly can keep the necklace or the bracelet together longer. And just for good measure, let's do a little tug, tug, tug. And that's it really. Now I'm going to take a pair of wire cutters. You can also use scissors, and I'm going to get pretty close to the knot, and I'm going to cut. Guess what, you guys? You designed, made, and closed an elastic bracelet. That was fun. Come join me again. Bye.